Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Amazing K and this is
Cynthia Leftwich.
Yes, and today is December 29th. And we are excited because it is celebration of Kwanzaa this week. So we are here to talk about all of the days of Kwanzaa up until today. Monday, December 26th was Umoja, which is unity. Everybody should be together. Unity in the community, unity in the family. That's the day after Christmas. Everybody was probably still together and just having a good time. Unity is important. We need unity in the community. Wouldn't you agree, Cynthia?
Absolutely.
Yes, we do. The more we get together, the more things we can accomplish together. So, also, Tuesday, December 27th, was Kujichagulia. Kujichagulia is about self-determination. That's what it means in Swahili. Self-determination. This is the year we need to be determined about ourselves. Be determined about who you are. We got goals coming up. Everybody does New Year's resolutions. Everybody wants to either do 3 things for their New Year's resolution. What are they? Well, most of the time people say they want to lose weight.
Oh my, that would not be me.
No, but it would be me. They also say they want to earn more money, right?
Some people want to actually, if they have the nerve to still be smoking,
Yes.
shame on you.
They want to do that,
You wanna quit.
give up smoking.
Yes.
But the other third thing they usually want to do is get closer to God.
Oh, yes.
So those are the main 3 things. You know, lose weight, make more money, get closer to God, or give up smoking, or give up any bad habits that you
That's
have.
it.
Because
That's
self-determination is
Any
about you.
negativity.
Yes, negativity is
Leave
gone.
negativity
Live
back in
negativity.
2020.
Yes, leave it behind.
Yes.
Don't take it into the new year. Because
Absolutely.
remember, that's what this show is all about. That's what this whole channel, Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. Positivity all day, every day.
Yes.
Allow me to share some with you. So, yes, negativity gone. Self-determination, that's what needs to stay. So that was Tuesday. Then we had Wednesday, the 27th, which was Umoja. And no, wait a minute, Ujima. Ujima, yes. Ujima
Okay.
was collective works and responsibility. We all need to be collective. We all need to work together. We all need to be responsible for one another and each other. When we do that,
Teamwork
makes
the
the
dream work.
yes, it is. And you know how we spell team? Together, everyone achieves more. And work with organization, responsibility, and kindness. You
You're
gotta have
good. You know,
kindness.
you're
I know.
And so,
But we're all good, and that's what it's all about. Collective works and responsibility. When we put our minds together, when we come together and do things collectively, we could be a force to be reckoned with.
absolutely.
Oh my goodness, it is so wonderful. So I love that day. So that was yesterday. And today is December 29th, which is Ujama, which is, we just talked about it before.
Oh, it's going to be people working together for their own economics.
Yes.
Together.
Yes.
Cooperative
Cooperative economics. That's what this day is about. And we are so excited about that because going into the new year, those of you who have businesses, you need to step it up. Those of you who want the business, you need to do it. Don't just think about it, be about it. Cooperative economics, make your own money.
2024.
Oh, I love that. Yes. Go for more in 2024. Make your own money. There's so many ways that you can make your own money.
Absolutely.
Cynthia and I are in our own businesses. We do everything that we can to collectively
teamwork, the
as
whole
a
business.
team. We help other people who want to have their own business and we show them how. That's what we do.
Yeah.
We are travel business owners and we show people how they can make money on the business side of travel.
It's easy peasy because you're just going to leverage to the ones that know what they're doing, and then we're going to duplicate just those 2 things.
Leverage and duplication.
Yeah.
So we're here to talk about that. And then listen, if this is something that you want to do for the new year, get in contact with us because we are serious about it. We are serious about taking people to the next level, to the level that they want to be at. Leave
your
a legacy.
level, not what somebody else thinks you should be. You determine who you're going to be.
That's just wonderful.
Then you go for it better.
So I hear that ticking. Do you hear that?
Yes, I do.
That means my cookies need to come out of the oven.
Oh, absolutely. We're going to have to run.
So we just want to say, be bold, be blessed, be you. We have the rest of the Kwanzaa days coming up.
Yes.
We have 2 more days coming up. Tomorrow is going to be Faith. Yes, Imani.
Okay.
Imani. No, I'm sorry. Imani is the last one. Faith. Well, yeah, that's the last one. We have no.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Yes, you'll find out tomorrow. So you got to come
back.
back. Come back, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because you know what? On the 31st, we're going to be giving away those trips. Yes, we are. We have complimentary trips for people that have subscribed to this channel and have referred other people to subscribe, because you need 3 people to go into the drawing, and you can win some of these fabulous trips. So be bold, be blessed, be you. Happy New Year. Happy Kwanzaa. Think about these principles. Act on these principles. And we'll
just do it.
Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. I'm Karen K. Rush. This is Cynthia Leftwich, and we approve this message.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye.
See ya.